Are you working? You're not? Oh, dude, I thought you were. Yep.
There's one. Where is he? He's staying on. I'm not sure if he's still there. He's there. Yep. I'm slowly reeling him in. Here, hurry up and get this planer. Yep, he's there. There he is. You see him back there?
Yep, he's coming.
Hey, he's back there. Oh, he's fighting.
Yep, get me to the...
There you go. Here he comes.
Keep him on there, man. Don't lose him for me.
Yep.
Get the skunk out of the boat and we get the new rod, huh? Oh yeah.
There he is. Get
him up here. Walk him up to me. Walk him up to me.
There you go.
Nice coho.
Oh yeah.
Okay, hold him right there for a second.
Yep. Skunk is out.
Watch where we're going. See where we're going, okay?
Yeah, we're good. Sharp?
Yeah.
There you go. There he is. Yep. Get out of the way. Well, that's the first fish of the day then. There you go.
Time. Only took till almost 11 o'clock.
Yeah, we've only been out here since 7. And now it's like 10. 10 o'clock bite. There it is. Check that out. Is he alive?
I don't know.
I can't even tell.
You might have drowned him. Here.
Yeah, I think he's drowned.
Here. Bring it to me.
Is he kicking?
Look at that. He's got shad in his stomach. Look at it. See that?
Really?
He is kicking. A little bit. Watch where we're going with the boat.
They're going through those big schools now, aren't they? Well, we got fish number 2 then.
Keep an eye on that.
Watching these other ones. Well, man.
He'll make it.
Huh. So
He's too small.
So he did eat that.
Yep. I told you something was on there. It was acting all goofy.
Lead core.
Yep. There's going to be a knot gonna hit the last 30 feet.
Yeah.
And if you don't come through the guide, you just kind of take it easy on it.
Is it still there? Oh yeah, it's there.
Come on, man, bring Rick's fish in.
Here it comes. We're on orange.
Yep, you're on the last color yellow. Now there it goes, it's going through. See it go to
Yep.
floral?
It's
floral
there.
curve.
Here he is. He's a good size too.
Nice one,
Yeah, he's nice. Oh yeah. He's taking off.
You know what?
Woo. That is the same rod, isn't it?
Yep.
Got him. Sweet. Actually eating size it is, but oh yeah.
Okay, let's not get blood all over.
He's fatter than the first one. That is nasty. We're good. Alright, is he free?
Yeah, he's gonna die real fast. I got him in his gill. These are gonna be badass.